Hello students, let us continue with the topic irrational numbers. In this video, we are going to discuss about the rationalization of irrational numbers. So let us start with the topic of rationalization. Rationalizing. When radicals occur in the denominator, it is must to remove surds. That is, the denominator should be free from surd, and the process is called rationalizing the denominator. Now students, you need to remember that whenever we are going to write the answers, we should not have a surd in the denominator. If we have a surd in the denominator, so we are going to do the rationalizing of the denominator. So let us discuss some types based on this topic. So type 1 is when the denominator is a monomial surd. For example, rationalize the denominator of number 1 is 1 upon under root 7. Now if we see in this statement, the denominator is containing a surd term. So we need to do the rationalization. Now we have in the denominator, we have under root 7. Now we have already discussed the rationalizing factor or the conjugate pairs of the surds. So now what will be the rationalizing factor of under root 7? It will be under root 7. So now we are going to do rationalizing, and for that we are going to multiply and divide the given statement with the rationalizing factor. So on rationalizing, we'll get 1 upon under root 7 multiply under root 7 upon under root 7. Now 1 into under root 7 is under root 7, and under root 7 into under root 7 is 7. Now we can see that in the denominator we have a rational number, not an irrational number. So let us discuss some more example based on this topic. The next example is 5 upon 3 under root 2. Now in the denominator we see that we have 3 under root 2. So the RF, or that is the rationalizing factor of 3 under root 2 will be under root 2, not 3 under root 2. The smallest number by which 3 under root 2 will be multiplied to get a rational number is under root 2. So by rationalizing, we'll get 5 upon 3 under root 2 into under root 2 upon under root 2. So 5 into under root 2 will be 5 under root 2. Now 3 will get multiplied with 1. So it will be 3 into 1 will be 3. And under root 2 into under root 2 will be 2. So we'll get the answer as 5 under root 2 upon 6. Now students, let us discuss some examples in which the denominator is a binomial surd. When the denominator is a binomial surd. For example, rationalize the denominator. Number 1, 1 upon 2 minus under root 3. Now in this statement, the denominator is 2 minus under root 3. So the rationalizing factor of 2 minus under root 3 that we have already discussed in the previous video, that the rationalizing factor of a binomial surd will be the same two terms but with a different sign. So the rationalizing factor will be 2 plus under root 3. So now we are going to do the rationalization. So on rationalizing, we are going to get 1 upon 2 minus under root 3 into 2 plus under root 3 upon 2 plus under root 3. So 1 multiply 2 plus under root 3 will give us 2 plus under root 3. And in the denominator, we are going to apply the identity of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So it will be 2 plus under root 3 upon 2 square minus under root 3 square. So the next step will be, we'll get 2 plus under root 3 upon the square of 2 is 4 and the square of under root 3 is 3. So it will be 2 plus under root 3 upon 4 minus 3, which is equal to 2 plus under root 3 upon 1, which is equal to 2 plus under root 3. So let us discuss one more example based on this type. The next example is of 2 upon under root 3 minus under root 2. Now in this case, the denominator is under root 3 minus under root 2. So the rationalizing factor or the RF will be under root 3 plus under root 2. So by rationalizing, we are going to get 2 upon under root 3 minus under root 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2 upon under root 3 plus under root 2. So which will be equal to 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2. And in the denominator, it will be under root 3 minus under root 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2. Now in the denominator, we are going to again apply the identity of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. And in the denominator, we are going to keep it like this only. So it will be equal to 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2 upon under root 3 square minus under root 2 square. So which will be equal to 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2 upon the square of under root 3 will be 3 and the square of under root 2 will be 2. So it will be equal to 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2 upon 3 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer will be 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2. So let us discuss one more example based on this topic. That is, the next example is under root 3 plus under root 2 upon under root 3 minus under root 2. Now in this example, the denominator is under root 3 minus under root 2 and its RF will be under root 3 plus under root 2. So on doing rationalizing, we are going to get under root 3 plus under root 2 upon under root 3 minus under root 2 into under root 3 plus under root 2 upon under root 3 plus under root 2. Now in the numerator, we are going to apply the identity of a plus b whole square, because the statement will become under root 3 plus under root 2 whole square. And in the denominator, we are again going to apply the identity of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we'll get under root 3 plus under root 2 whole square upon under root 3 square minus under root 2 square. So now in the numerator, we are going to apply the identity of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So the square of under root 3 is 3. The square of under root 2 is 2. So it will be 3 plus 2 plus 2 into under root 3 into under root 2. And in the denominator, it will be 3 minus 2. So 3 plus 2 will give us 5 plus 2 under root 6 upon 1. So our answer will be 5 plus 2 under root 6. So now students, you will be clear with the topic of rationalizing the denominator. Now solve the sums based on this topic. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.